As the saying goes, the world has changed much more in these 10 years than the last 10,000 years. It is the coming together of various conglomerates, young business leaders, and of course, aspiring entrepreneurs. Next, ladies and gentlemen, let me take this opportunity and present to you our title sponsor this evening. We'd now like to present to you a video of the Presidency Foundation. Let's have the video, please.
Presidency Group of Institutions. The vast expanse of land displays a vista of modern-day construction, a prototype of our century. The 62-acre lush green campus on which the university is situated has state-of-the-art infrastructure. The Presidency University is a private institution established by the state legislature under Act No. 41 of 2013 in the Official Gazette as the Presidency University Act 2013. The School of Engineering offers the Bachelor's Degree in Technology or the BTech in these disciplines: Computer Science and Engineering, Computer Engineering and Data Science, Mechanical Engineering, Civil Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Petroleum Engineering. The School of Management offers a 2-year program to award a master's degree in management, that is, an MBA in one of the following: Finance, Marketing, Human Resources, Operations, Logistics and Supply Chain Management, Data Science and Business Analytics. The School of Law offers 3 5-year integrated program combinations to award one of these: BBA LLB, BCom LLB, BA LLB. All these are approved by the Bar Council of India. The university ensures a contemporary and industry-oriented curriculum interspersed with internship tenures that lead to more exposure in the chosen field of the students. The institution is aimed at forming new collaborations with reputed universities in the United Kingdom and the USA. The campus of the institution hosts a library around which almost all of the students, ranging from various walks of life, congregate. This Center for Information lends itself to many uses, from information technology to tomes of many course subjects, all the while projecting itself as the nucleus of knowledge within the institution. The many laboratories of various core subjects are used to teach, test and display the working of many ideas and formulae, be it the chemistry, physics, electronics or the engineering laboratories. The hands-on experience the students get here cannot compete with mere classroom lectures alone. They add to the overall teaching procedure that the institution promises. The students of law have a well-structured moot court. The lecture halls in gallery style and the computer stations display a degree of comfort for the students to imbibe the knowledge that they seek. The ease of interaction between the students and their mentors or lecturers results in a happy vibe in the campus. Students from all walks of life portray the modern-day ease of accessibility to the available technology in the campus, be it regular use of their laptops and fieldwork regarding their curriculum, with the administration ensuring that they integrate well into the system at all times. The campus is rich with a social vibe, interaction among smartly attired students from different regions and countries, participation in co-curricular activities, sports and performing arts, as is the posh outdoor cafeteria which lends an international feel to the campus, is a meeting point for most of them, providing a respite from the daily curriculum. Medical facilities too are accessible to those who need it in the form of a modern clinic. A state-of-the-art auditorium provides for viewing, light entertainment and talks. For those interested in the field of sport, the institution offers use of the ultra-modern court facilities in basketball, football and table tennis, as well as cricket fields, gymnasium and chess rooms. A fleet of buses form the base of a good transport system for easy commute among students. The Presidency Group of Institutions has indeed made a mark in every walk of education and beyond.
Ladies and gentlemen, our title sponsor, Presidency. Could we give them a huge round of applause? We now have Mr. Rajkumar Chakravarti who will do the presentation. Over to you.
Thank you. A very, very good evening, one and all. On behalf of Presidency Foundation, Presidency Group of Institution, and Presidency University, it's my proud privilege to welcome you all in this pleasant evening. A very, very special welcome on behalf of Chairman, Presidency Group of Institution and Chancellor, Presidency University, Dr. Nisar Ahmed, Madam Kausar Ahmed, Ms. Nafiza Ma'am, Vice Presidents, Mr. Shuhail Ahmed, Mr. Salman Ahmed, and the family members. It's my proud privilege to present few info about Presidency University. As you have seen in the video, the approval came in the year 2013, and we started our operations in 2015. So within a span of almost 5 years, from 500 in 2015, we have present student strength almost more than 12,000. This is a phenomenal growth with the able leadership of Dr. Nisar Ahmed towards the building up the education in India. In Presidency University, we have 9 schools: the School of Engineering, the School of Advanced Computing, School of Law, School of Management, School of Commerce, School of Creative Arts, School of Design, and School of Media Studies. We have more than 50 varieties of programs covering the Industry 4.0. As you all know, India is going through Industrial Revolution 4.0, and aligning with that, Presidency University has come up with the cutting-edge programs which will not only give the latest technical knowledges to the students, and also they will be most welcome by the placement companies, the technology companies, when they pass out of the university as technical graduates and postgraduates. In School of Advanced Computing, we have BTech Computer Science and Technology. There are various new cutting-edge programs: Internet of Things, Data Science, Data Analytics, Cyber Security, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. All these programs are aligned with Education 4.0 concept, and the students, the curriculum is set and the program is imparted in such a way that when they pass out of the university, they are first preferred by the recruiters. School of Management, we have PG and UG courses. MBA, we give dual specialization: HR, Marketing, Human Resource, Operations and Supply Chain, Business Analytics. MBA 4.0, Logistics and Supply Chain. These are the various specializations we offer. In UG programs, we give Bachelor of Business Administration, Aviation Management, Financial Technology, Digital Marketing, Business Analytics, E-Commerce, and Supply Chain Management, and of course the vanilla. The School of Law. The law is now emerging as a new course of preference from the students. The science and commerce students are also taking up law as a profession. In law, we have the integrated program, so after +2, students can take up the course of law for 5 years. These are called integrated programs of 5 years. We have BBA LLB honors, BA LLB honors, BCom LLB honors, and we have post-graduation program also, LLM programs. School of Design, as the new careers are emerging, And gone are those days when students used to prefer only the engineering and medical. Now the horizon is expanding and the students are taking up the new courses. So to meet the requirement of the next generation, we have come up with the product design, game design, communication design, interior design, fashion designing courses. School of Commerce, we have become professionals. School of Liberal Studies, School of Creative Arts, all those schools are created to give the students a wide range of options so that they can choose a curriculum of their choice. And this is also aligning with the new education policy where the students get a lot of varieties of the courses. Tomorrow there will be a day when the science students will also take up a course on music, a course on economics. So these are going to give them a lot of insight into the various other career options. Presidency University, they have been awarded many accolades, and in the latest we have got the best university of the year. We have the ranked 5th emerging engineering institute in India. We are rated AAA plus, and ASSOCHAM has awarded it the most preferred university of the year in the south. Presidency group of institutions, taking you back a couple of years, we started in a humble beginning in a 2-bedroom house. The Presidency group of institutions started. And from there, we have many schools and over 40 years of academic wisdom now. And the latest crown in our cap is the Presidency University. Presidency College, we are NAC A+ accredited. As I mentioned, Presidency University, we started our operations in 2015. And you can see a few glimpses of the university, the School of Management, the programs, the host of recruiters. We have a lot of recruiters who come to us specially. They ask for day 1 slot because they want to take our student first and then they want to go to the other universities and institutions because they know that the quality of education that we impart to our student is unparalleled and they can get the best of the technical graduates and other graduates from Presidency University. We are ranked among the best B schools. There are various programs that we offer. The programs are all aligned with Education 4.0. We have our industrial practices. AICTE has now made mandatory that we should give 2 industrial practices to the students. Way back in 2015, we implemented this. So what other institutions are adopting today, Presidency University has adopted the same process 5 years back. Well, this Bangalore factor, all of us are aware of. The future is here in Presidency University. There are various programs aligning with the eligibility, accreditations, more than 40 years of wisdom, and various programs are offered, as you saw in the video, to the best, with the best of the faculties. We have faculties from IITs, IISCs, BITS, and the program is aligned in such a way that those top rated curriculum are brought into our syllabus and we give the students the best. The infrastructure is unparalleled, the labs, the auditoriums, you can have the glimpse, of course you have seen in the video. We have a fleet of buses which goes all around Bangalore and the students, the infrastructure that we have set up is unparalleled and probably the best in the city of Bangalore. There are sports and games facilities on the campus. So from 7 schools, college, 1 university, we are totally having more than 25,000 students. State-of-the-art infrastructure, total area of the university is 66 acres, more than 8 lakh square feet built up area we have. The sports facility, hostels, whatever the students need, we have. The Presidency University is listed amongst the top 100 private universities in India. Honorable Chancellor Sir and his daughter Nafisa ma'am took the award. Most Promising Educational Institution among the Emerging Educational Institutions of South India Award. The award was received by Dr. Nisar Ahmed, Chancellor Presidency University, from Lord Swaraj Pal at the House of Parliament, London, UK. We have professional practices in the university, and the various way that we have done our programs, as I mentioned, that students get within a very short span of time the best of the education, the latest knowledge, and so that when they come towards the placement, they are better prepared than the other students. So these are the various other practices of Presidency University. So this university now can be termed as the University of the Future. So on behalf of the Presidency Group of Institutions, once again, thank you for giving me a patient hearing. All the best to you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Rajkumar Chakravarti. Ladies and gentlemen, we are indeed proud of all the great achievements